problem was the drain pump here was bouncing also, and it's allowed to move because it's got these kind of rubbery things in here. The problem though was that screw in there had come undone, so the whole metal plate that it's attached to was basically bouncing up and down and clacking and making this annoying kind of noise. Actually it sounded more like metal on metal like this. So I tightened that up, and with my finger, I can't get my camera low enough, I put some red Loctite on there so that it hopefully never comes undone.